Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this. It's bringing you valuable information that the media hides from you, so please, to make sure you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work. Imagine everything you know, your life, your memories. The world around you is not real in the sense you think. Some theorists claim our universe is a simulation, a vast digital construct, and that behind this illusion there is a controller, an intelligence shaping reality in ways we cannot perceive. The concept of a simulated universe is not new. Philosophers, scientists, and visionaries have long speculated that reality may be a construct, a projection, or a sophisticated program. Modern technology, like virtual reality and artificial intelligence, gives us glimpses of how such a simulation could function. Mathematical patterns and constants in nature suggest a coded reality. The fine-tuning of physical laws, the precision of atomic structures, and the order of celestial bodies could hint at design. Could these patterns be lines of code written by a controller beyond comprehension? Anomalies in physics fuel these theories. Quantum phenomena, such as entanglement and wave-particle duality, defy classical logic. Some theorists argue these are glitches or shortcuts in the simulation, moments when the underlying program is revealed. Time itself behaves strangely. Our perception of past, present, and future may be artificial, constructed by a system maintaining continuity for observers. Could our consciousness be a variable, monitored and adjusted by a controlling intelligence? Some believe the universe is structured like a game, with rules, boundaries, and objectives. From evolution to planetary formation, natural laws may function like algorithms. Could the controller be running simulations to study behavior, history, or decision-making on a cosmic scale? Digital physics theories suggest that reality at its smallest scale behaves like information. If the universe is made of bits rather than matter, then our world is computational. Could this explain why mathematics describes reality so precisely, as if we exist inside a code? The concept of free will may itself be an illusion. Choices, actions, and consequences could be pre-programmed parameters or influenced by the controller to observe outcomes. Are we truly autonomous, or part of an experiment in decision-making? Some theorists point to synchronicities and coincidences as evidence of manipulation. Events aligning too perfectly, patterns emerging unexpectedly may hint at intervention. Could these be subtle adjustments made by the controller to guide or test humanity? Historical anomalies also suggest interference. Civilizations rise and fall. Knowledge appears and disappears, sometimes without clear reason. Could the simulation be edited, with the controller adjusting variables, rewriting history for purposes beyond our understanding? Perception may be limited by design. Humans experience a narrow spectrum of reality, constrained by senses and cognition. Could the controller limit our perception to prevent awareness of the underlying simulation, preserving the illusion of a natural world? Dreams and altered states of consciousness may be windows into the program. Ports of vivid visions, out-of-body experiences, or precognition could represent moments when the simulation's code is perceived. Could these be intentional debug modes created by the controller? Technological advancements mirror the potential of the simulation. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and quantum computing are creating worlds within worlds. Could our awareness of these technologies hint at the larger system we inhabit and the intelligence controlling it? The controller may be observing multiple layers of reality simultaneously, from atoms to galaxies, from individual lives to planetary systems. The simulation could be designed to test, predict, or analyze outcomes across scales. Could we be subjects in a cosmic experiment? Some theorists suggest glitches in reality, like déjà vu or Mandela effects, indicate errors or updates in the simulation. Memory inconsistencies, altered history, or strange coincidences may reveal the controller's adjustments. Could these anomalies be messages or corrections we barely perceive? The universe may be optimized for observation. Galaxies, planets, and life may exist to provide data, interactions, and variables for the controller. Could evolution itself be a programmed process designed to produce intelligence capable of self-reflection and discovery? Theories suggest the controller may be alien, divine, or beyond human comprehension. Its motives are unknown. observation, entertainment, research, or experimentation? Could our existence be the result of a test, a project, or a simulation for purposes we cannot fathom? Human perception of time and space may be manipulated. Past and future could exist simultaneously, controlled by parameters beyond our reach. Could our linear experience of life be an artificial construct, imposed to create narrative and observation? Some theorists argue that consciousness is separate from matter. If so, it could be an interface between the observer and the simulation. Could the controller be monitoring consciousness itself, using it to evaluate behavior, emotion, and thought? The appearance of reality may be a user interface, simplified for ease of interaction. Colors, sounds, textures, and even laws of physics could be representations, not the true nature of the simulation. Could we be perceiving a projection while the true structure remains hidden? Some suggest the controller can modify reality in real time. Miracles, coincidences, or unexplainable events may be interventions in the simulation. Subtle manipulations that influence outcomes without breaking the illusion. Could these be experiments or corrections? Global patterns, social behaviors, and historical trends may be observed and analyzed by the controller. Wars, discoveries, and civilizations could all be variables in a vast system, tested and recorded. Could humanity itself be a dataset within a cosmic simulation? The concept of death may be a system reset. Consciousness could transfer, recycle, or be paused while the simulation continues. Could the controller manage life and death as part of the experiment, maintaining continuity within the program? Quantum computing suggests that multiple realities may exist simultaneously. Parallel universes, alternate outcomes, and branching timelines could all be facets of the simulation, monitored by the controller. Could we be experiencing one path among countless possibilities? The controller may not intervene openly, but subtly nudges events, shapes decisions, and influences perception. Our reality may feel free, yet every variable could be observed, analyzed, and adjusted. Some theorists argue that awareness of the simulation increases the chance of discovery. Advanced civilizations or individuals reaching high levels of consciousness may perceive the underlying code. Could the controller allow limited glimpses to test responses or readiness? In the end, the simulated universe theory suggests that nothing is as it seems. Reality, time, consciousness, and existence itself may be part of an artificial construct overseen by a controller whose motives are unknown. Understanding this could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this. It's bringing you valuable information that the media hides from you, so please, to make sure you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work.